Several people have asked me, Scott, what's the deal with the Ford F-150's built-in safe? Honestly, I get it. Trucks get broken into at an alarming rate. Ford says a vehicle is stolen every 40 seconds in the U.S. This feels like locking your worries away. The safe is usually tucked right under the center console, hidden in plain sight. It's essentially a mini vault welded into the frame, which gives you a fighting chance against screwdrivers and quick-grab thieves. Is it impenetrable? No, but it gives you a significant security edge. Let's put it this way. Most people keep registration, cash, or maybe that one emergency protein bar in their glove box. Problem is, glove boxes can be opened faster than you can say aftermarket alarm. If you want to secure a gun or valuables, the safe is the obvious upgrade. Opening the safe is like something out of Mission Impossible, except you're just trying to grab your sunglasses. You get a keypad or a key lock, depending on the model. Keypads mean no fumbling for keys, which is a real time saver when your hands are full of groceries. But let's be honest, most people forget their own codes. This is a real pain point. Spend 5 minutes tapping in birthdays and pet names before you end up calling customer support in a parking lot. Pro tip, set a memorable but non-obvious code, not 1234. For installation, if you're DIY inclined, it's a half-day project. There's usually zero cutting, just some bolts, a socket wrench, maybe a podcast in the background. If you hate skin knuckles, just pay the $150 to your local shop and save yourself the headache. Now, here's where most people get nervous. They want to know, couldn't a pro thief just pry this out? Technically, with enough time, yes. But remember, thieves are racing the clock. Breaking into a safe burns precious minutes that most won't risk unless you're storing gold bars. Insurance companies actually love it when you have a safe in your truck. You may qualify for lower premiums because you're much less likely to lose your firearm or expensive tech. Just ask and see if it knocks 5 to 10% off your rate. Worth the question. A lot of F-150 owners worry that the safe eats up too much usable space. In reality, most of these safes are designed to sit under the armrest, so you're barely losing more than what your loose change collection already takes up. Parents, here's a real pain. Kids messing around in your truck, accidentally finding stuff they shouldn't. The safe gives you peace of mind. They'd have an easier time launching a space mission with a shoebox than getting into one of these things without the code. Visually, you won't even notice the safe's presence unless you're looking for it. That's another reason it works. It's not advertising itself to every passerby like a steel cash box. You stay low-key. Only you know it's there. Deciding to go with the safe really comes down to math. How much does the value of your peace of mind and your stuff add up to? For about $300 to $500 installed, you're making it astronomically harder, think 10x harder, for a thief to ruin your week. I always tell people the best security is layered. Alarm, safe, don't leave valuables in plain sight. Ford's safe just adds another brick to the fortress, and while nothing is totally theft-proof, it's a big step above the status quo, worth every penny for most truck owners.